ATR moving out onto the runway. The Chinook may be, the timing may alter a little bit on the Chinook. Then they're just rewriting the program here to fit in with what's going on at Fairford. This is the ATR 72. This is the ATR 72-600 test aircraft. Well-known turbo breathing airline. Rated that's 600. Now the ATR family incorporates both the ATR 42 and the 72, made up of high-wing, six-bladed twin turboprop aircraft designed right from the start for efficiency and also for low fuel consumption, reducing the CO2 emissions, giving greater operational flexibility. Turboprop on it, good opener. New routes were opened by ATR aircraft. Spacious cabin, modern cabin. We go into the freighter. This is not the freighter, this is a test aircraft, but the freighter version comes with a 6-ton freight capability, large cargo. This aircraft is flying today with a blend of sustainable aviation fuel. ATR was the first ever manufacturer to fly commercial jets with 100% sustainable. Downwind to land. So we've heard the F-16 of frequency. Once the ATR comes in and landed, the F-16 will be reported. Just been told the F-16 is competent. Now I don't know whether that's the OR, which is nowhere near competent havers, or whether it's a competent havers, which is nowhere near the OR. But whichever is out in the west. Very short landing. How about that? Total aviation fuel. Written on the side of the engine cowling as well. While we wait for the F-16. Test flight. Every aircraft is brand new here. You get carbon buses, we've already 50 hours worth of certification program. We've got a well-proven engine stuffed up the front, the PT6 engine from Pratt and Whitney, 750 shaft horsepower. Very successful, very popular engine, very sturdy engine as well. slow flight coming past. And it is very slow for the size of the aircraft. The Dart 750 comes with the optional version of Martin Baker seats. They're the ejection seats. 0-0, so no speed, no altitude seats. Two pilots in tandem configuration. It's got good visibility, as you can see, and certainly when it comes back to the public area, good visibility from that cockpit. Deep approach of the Church West here at Farnborough. Just a bunch of friends, by the way. Getting update on the FCC, ATR 52 next. FCC shows a rotary coming back tomorrow, light cloud and debris, so better weather than today. I know it's not the blizzarding hot summer, but the sun is still just as hot. Better keep just remind us that the sun's treated quite wise and keep hydrated, because it's wind hydrated, wind burn, thunder, and of course this year we're not used to anything like that.